SendinBlue automation tutorial. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the automation features of SendinBlue. Automation can help you streamline your email marketing, engage with your audience more effectively, and save time on repetitive tasks. So let's dive in. First, log into your SendinBlue account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can manage your campaigns and automation. On the left sidebar, click on Automation and this will take you to the Automation dashboard where you can create and manage your automation workflows. Click on the Create a New Workflow and get started. You'll see various automation templates designed for different purposes like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or birthday messages. You can choose a template that suits your needs. Create from scratch if you want to create your template from scratch. After selecting a template, you'll enter the workflow editor, and here you can customize the triggers and actions for the automation. For instance, if you chose a welcome email template, the trigger might be contact subscribes to a list. You can add additional conditions or actions based on your requirements. To add actions, click on the plus icon within your workflow and you can choose from various actions. And you can also set delays between actions. For example, you may want to wait a few days before sending a follow-up email, so click the action and set the desired delay. Once you've configured your workflow, it's crucial to test it, so SendinBlue offers a testing feature that allows you to simulate the workflow. Click on the test button to ensure everything is working correctly before going live. After testing, it's time to activate your automation, so click on the Activate button in the top right corner of the workflow editor and your automation is now live. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automation workflow in SendinBlue. Thanks for watching.